Hello out there to all the FCPO traders from Malaysia here, and this is one of your favorite market opinion leaders, Dawang here from BursaMarketplace.com, delivered to you on the weekly videocast of FCPO trading Bursa Malaysia on behalf of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. Alright, this week on the FCPO prices, we're going to cover on the outlook, which will move from this 21st up to the 25th of December month in 21.5. Alright, the active month is now into March. Alright, March settlement, and on last Friday the market closed at 2402, and that is on a weekly chart, as you can see here. Alright, 2,402 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices. Alright, based on the weekly chart here, we can see that the market is pretty strongly resisted here as a EMA 200 line runs across. Alright, and the market was trading on a pull up based on the end of last week. Alright, from this weekly chart, there's not much clue given as the sentiment is pretty neutral. So we have to move into the daily chart in order to have a clearer picture. Alright, as you can see here, weekly daily chart here, or we turn from the weekly chart here. The EMA 420 hasn't crossed yet, and first of all, we should be very observant that in case the market crosses down here anytime this week, below 2366, or we put it at 2360. Alright, 2,360 ringgit per ton, then the market could be starting to turn into a bearish trend, as what it shows here. Alright, so mark down 2360 as a very strong immediate support for the market, and on the top side it is highly possible for the market to trade until here on the top side around 2430, as you can observe here. Alright, personally, this week is going to be a short week and also ahead of Christmas holidays, and we are not expecting very high volatility or range to come in, especially after the midweek. So anything happen is going to be on Monday and Tuesday, and we are not also expecting a very big pull up above this strong resistance here, which is at 2440 or 2450. Alright, so on the top side it should be moving anywhere until 2430, while the downside, observe 2360 as your breakdown point in case the market turns bearish. So on the overall this week, we are pretty neutral here from the weekly chart. As we move into the day chart, we're expecting the range to trade from 2360 up to 2430, about 60 or 70 ticks range. But alright, once again, observe for the crossing down. If the market breaks below 2360, then abandon all your long view in case the market is going to turn down, especially on the last week of December. So trade well and take a break if possible. This is Dawang here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in BursaMarketplace.com. Thank you for staying with us, and thank you to Oriental Pacific Futures for hosting this program for the whole year in the year 21.5, and we are moving into the last 2 weeks of this year. Alright, I wish all of you a Merry Christmas and trade well, and do come back. Thank you. Bye bye.